Hello, my name's Dave from Sloan Walker Chartered Certified Accountants. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction to using some software called VT Transaction Plus. It's a very easy to use program, and I've used lots of different accounting softwares over the years, and many of our clients now use this program because it's very user friendly. So to give you a brief idea of how to use the program, first of all, there's a home screen here. So you'd normally open up the program and find yourself on the home page. You've got a brief summary now. You've got on the left, anything that's blue, you just click on that and it will take you into a more detailed view. So you can see the total there, £20,000. So each of these has got a breakdown that you can just press in the blue and it gives you a breakdown of that particular account. If you want to have a look at net assets, which are the assets of the company or the business, just click onto the net assets tab. Down the bottom you'll see it's like an audit trail, so each time you make an entry the audit trail will be kept below. So it's an easy way of finding your way around. There are some useful reports. You can click on display, profit and loss account. This report is a profit and loss account. It gives you a summary of the income for the year, the cost of sales for the year, and then these are the overhead expenses. So at the bottom you've got the net profit. If you want to change which year it relates to, you just click on the triangle here and you can change whichever year you'd like to look at. And the same here, you can click on entire year and just select from either a month or a quarter. When you click on these buttons, it drills down into the next report, which gives you a breakdown, and you're able to then move or correct items and put them into a different account. Now VT works on one single file, and the file isn't particularly big, and you can have that file saved onto your desktop, or you can put it into a Dropbox, and you don't have to back up. So when you close the program, it automatically updates it. So you don't have to take any backup processes, procedures like you do with other programs. As with many other programs, there's a number of ways of doing each transaction. I tend to use these shortcut buttons across the top. So if you want to enter a sales invoice, you can press SIN. If you want to enter just a normal payment or receipt in or out of the bank account, you can press P&R. You've also got drop-down menus to do the same functions. So different people prefer different ways of entering data. So if you're unsure which button to press, you can use these drop-down menus to give you a prompt. So for instance, you can get to your VAT return, but also you've got a button across the top for display the VAT return.